Let's say that you have a free incentive, an awesome free incentive to get people onto your email list. What's the next step? Well, you've got to let your blog visitors know that you have the solution to their problem. My name is Leslie Samuel, and in this video, I'm going to talk about some of the best ways to use the GetResponse WordPress plugin to get more leads. The GetResponse WordPress plugin makes it super easy for you to add opt-in forms to your WordPress blog. There's no copying code or having to add HTML, JavaScript, or any other complicated web language. Simply install the plugin from the WordPress plugin directory and you're good to go. But where should you add the forms to be most effective? That's the important question. Well, the first place you want to add an opt-in form is in your sidebar above the fold. What exactly does this mean? I'm glad you asked. The sidebar is a section of your blog that's just to the side of your main content area. Now, above the fold means that you don't have to scroll down to see that form. That first position is a high value position, and since your email list is a high value asset, I highly recommend for you to consider placing an opt-in form right there. Now, before I tell you what the second place is that I would recommend for you to add an opt-in form to, let's talk about your blog visitors. Many of the people who visit your blog won't even really take the time to read your content. That's a fact. And those people, they're not the type of people you want on your email list. However, some of the people who visit will actually take the time to consume your content. You know, they might read your articles, watch your videos, or listen to your podcast. If someone takes the time to go through an entire post, that person is more likely to be the kind of person who would subscribe to your email newsletter. And if your content is high quality, valuable content that they really resonate with, or that helps them to accomplish their goal or overcome a struggle they might have, they'll be even more likely to subscribe. A great time to invite them to subscribe is right after they have finished consuming that content. This is why the second place I would recommend for you to place your opt-in form is right at the end of your blog post. Now, the third place I recommend for you to add an opt-in form has to do with a pretty neat feature of the GetResponse WordPress plugin. It gives you the option to allow commenters to select to be automatically added to your email newsletter when they leave a comment. Now, if you think about it, someone who is taking the time to actively leave a comment is going from a passive consumer of your content to someone who is actively engaging with your content. Now, since they've already entered their names and email addresses in the comment form, all it takes is a simple check of a box, and that's it. So the take-home message here is this: you want to make it as easy as possible for your visitors to make the decision to subscribe to your email newsletter, and the GetResponse WordPress plugin is a great way to do so. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you got a lot of value from it. My name is Leslie Samuel, and I wish you all the best on your blogging journey.